putting together our gluten-free green bean casserole that is so popular during the holidays, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I take whatever your green beans, this happens to be 3 pound 2 ounces or 50 ounces, and I measured it. And the reason why I measure it is because we want to use, we're making our own instead of mushroom soup. We're going to make our own mushroom whatever, because I do have mushrooms. So I have 5 cups of the green beans. That's what makes this size can. And I'm going to pour it into this dish. This is an 8-cup casserole. Now, after we do that, we take our mushrooms and add that in there. And what I did is I watch for sales on mushrooms because they are expensive. And this one, I think I got at Walmart, was $1.35 for a little carton, couple, and so a couple cups of sliced. So we're going to mix this all up. Now I'm going to do 5, has to be equal, 5 cups of whipping cream, and to that I've added 3 tablespoons of the McKay chicken broth. No MSG is added, and I just I put all where you can order these, and when you order them you help support our channel. And so I put 3 tablespoons of that, and I mixed up all of that too, because we're going to pour this over your green beans. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Now that's all gonna boil down and really, oh, just be luscious and wonderful. Now, you're saying, how are we going to put those French onions? Well, we can't, because it's full of wheat, whatever they do those onions. So this is where the Funyuns come in. And this is, I kind of stumbled on this. I saw the Funyuns onions and went, oh, I wonder if, look at that. Then I looked at the ingredients, and sure enough, there wasn't anything that a gluten-free person, celiac, would find objectable. Most of it's corn. So what I do is I stick it in here, and I put half of it, I kind of scrunch it down, and put half of it inside here so it cooks and it gives off that flavor. And toward the end of the cooking time, which is really going to depend on the size of your casserole dish, you're going to crush up and put them on time. So I probably had a third in here left, and I'll put those on the top so they can stay crunchy. But these will go in here, and put those in here, and that'll give it that onion flavor. There we go. And I tell you, it is so good. Anyway, I'm just showing you how I do it. And I put this in the oven, and make sure that you have a pan underneath it because it will boil over. Now, the other thing I do is a tip. The tip is I put this in the microwave for about 6/7 to keep the whole, what cuts down on your oven time. And it heats up the whole casserole, and then I take it from that, and then I put it into the oven and cook it, bake it for, I don't know, 45 minutes. You have to keep an eye on it, but you want the cream to boil up and thicken, and see, these things will flum to the top. That's okay. You can stir it up after you heat it up for 6. There's nothing precious about, you can't be stirring stuff up, because at the very end you'll crush up more and put it on the top. So when you serve it, it'll be really crunchy on the top, and that's what those French onion they do on top of the casserole. So, okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to stick it in my microwave, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes, and see if, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll add the rest of the onions on top. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Just wanted to show you what it looked like after, I think I ended up 15 minutes in the microwave. You can see it's pretty steamy and it's warm, and now I'm going to put it, I'm going to mix it up so the Funyuns can get down inside, and I'll just keep floating up at the top. But I'm now going to put it in the 350 oven, and that'll be for 45 minutes because we really want this cream to boil down and be really luscious. So we'll be right back after it's done baking, and in a 350 oven for 45 minutes, and we'll check it then. Pulled this casserole, green bean casserole out, and it's been in for 45 minutes, and you see it's still quite liquidy, and it'll be going back in. But now I want to kind of stir it up a little bit, and then I'm going to put these the rest of the Funyuns that I mashed up, and I'm going to put those on the top so it can it'll go in there, probably looks like for another, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, and until it all has boiled down. And here's the rest of the Funyuns. Just kind of scatter them, and this, so they'll be crispy, and this will be all bubbly hot to serve your family. And we'll be back when it's all done. Just make sure that it's all been has been boiled down. The cream has been boiled down. So, okay, we'll be back when it's all done. Just took it out. She's anxious. She wants it. Oh yes, we love green bean casserole. So she's going to take it out, and it probably should sit.
Yes, it's hot, but I can't wait. So I'm going to go on and like blow on every spoonful, because I'm the one that's allergic to gluten really bad, and I shouldn't have it. So Mom came up with this recipe for me, and you better believe I'm going to go let this cool a little bit. But the Funyuns on top are so good.
And I have Funyuns inside as well.
Yes.
So to help thicken. So as this cool, it all will, you know, the
set and time.
Yes, yeah. Set. And so I tell you, we appreciate you, everyone,
yes.
And we hope that you like and subscribe, and check out our Facebook channel on Living Life with a Twist, as well as don't forget to hit the bell, because you'll see the next one, because we're really pumping out the holiday casseroles and
yes.
doing it our way, the twisty way,
right.
With gluten-free or vegan, because we have a lot of different allergies. But we love you guys, and please subscribe.
Be blessed.
Bye.